Where's Grandma and Papa? Go look for them. Are they in the bedroom?
No.
Go look. Say Papa.
Papa. Papa.
Are they not in here?
Nope.
No? Uh-oh. How about over here?
Where?
I don't know. Are they outside? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, Shasha's going crazy. Look. Shasha, ask Shasha. Shasha,
Shasha.
where's Grandma Papa?
Where's Mama and Papa? Shasha.
Shasha, did you get in Grandma's shoe? Say, where are you?
Outside.
They're not outside.
Look, they're not outside. Uncle is jumping with trampoline.
They're not outside. No, you can't go jump on trampoline.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
No.
What are you doing?
No, right now. Hey, ask Shasha.
What's
Say, Shasha,
Shasha?
where's Grandma Papa?
What's Mama and Papa? Wait,
Off. Okay, say bye, I love you.
Bye, Abby.
Mwah.
Mwah.
What are you going to do?
Go to the store.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
There's a wrinkle.
Where? Winkle? Where? Where? What's Winkle? What's
Can you say bye-bye? Look at the camera and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
No, you don't look at the camera. You know, say bye, I love you.
Bye, Abby.